I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here as I do my spring cleaning. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Spring is here and I cannot wait to get my spring cleaning done and check it off my list. Let's get started and we'll get this done in no time. I always love to start with the easy task first, and to me, that is the laundry. I do one small load of laundry a week, and then twice a week I wash the towels and the sheets. It makes it so much easier to keep up with the laundry. When doing laundry daily, you don't have so many things to sort and organize. You can quickly and easily find the socks and fold everything up in no time. Instead of having large piles to sort through, it's so quick and easy just to have a few small things to put away. It only takes minutes. Spring is here and the weather is so nice outside. It's getting nicer by the day. So I want to get this spring cleaning done so that I won't have to think about anything that needs done on the inside of my house when I want to enjoy the beautiful weather outside. And these are the things I enjoy doing the least of all. Remember to change your furnace filters. Other than cleaning my oven, window blinds are my least favorite thing to clean and dust. So I'm going to get this done right away and get this checked off my list. Don't forget the top of your refrigerator. Once I get all of the window blinds done, I start moving right along and get the baseboards dusted. That's something else I don't enjoy doing, but it's really great to have it done. Do your best to get behind all of the furniture pieces. I always leave mine out from the wall a little bit so that I can get in behind and clean it easily. When doing your spring cleaning, make sure you let your family know a few days in advance. That way they can either help you or make other plans if you'd rather do your spring cleaning by yourself. Just make sure your family knows to have all of their things picked up and out of the way so that you can clean all of the spaces. When I gear myself up for spring cleaning, and I know that's what I'm going to do that day, and then I know I'll be able to celebrate and sit down outside and enjoy the nice weather as soon as I'm all done. I always wipe my refrigerator out once a week before I go to the grocery. I clean it out and wipe all of the shelves. This way it stays really good and clean, and it isn't much effort to keep it that way. I always set aside 2 Saturday mornings in the spring to get all of my spring cleaning done. However, if I work away really diligently and get it all done in one day, I have a whole free day that I can do something else that's much more enjoyable. I also have a stack of papers I'm going to shred. It feels great to get these things checked off my list. I am so glad you were here to take on my spring cleaning with me. I appreciate it so much, and I hope this has inspired you to get busy with your spring cleaning as well. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.